Yo guys, it's Shunka back with another video on TENET. I hope you guys are doing well and safe. So today's video I'm just going to do a quick how-to on how to make rice. So here's just a quick some quick ingredients for you guys. First and foremost, you need rice, everyday rice. I normally use tilde, but there's all sorts of different rices which you can use. I've got salt. We've got a scale. It's going to measure out how much rice you guys can use. Some olive oil. So guys, I'm going to do this rice with a bit of a twist. Instead of making plain white rice, I'm going to add a bit of flavour to it. I'm going to add star anise herb and also some crushed chilies to go as well with the rice. So guys, to start off this video, you're going to get out your scale, get out a plate, any clean plate, and some rice. So what you're going to do is, guys, you're going to set your scale onto 0. So you calibrate it onto 0. We're going to be putting in 200 grams of rice. Yeah guys, that's 200 grams of rice. So now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to wash the rice. We're going to get rid of the starch onto the rice. So you get your bowl of rice, gently put it into the sieve, right there. Turn it on, not too cold, not too warm, just in the middle. Now what you're going to do is, guys, you're going to let it set for a couple of minutes. When the rice is fully drained out with starch, what you're going to do is get yourself a pan and drain out the rice onto the pan right there. Make sure all the rice is into the pan. So guys, once you fill it with water, you're going to let it soak for up to 5 to 10 minutes. Mine's already been soaked for 5 to 10 minutes, so you're going to add some olive oil. Then you're going to add a pinch of salt. The salt is there for the water to increase at a high temperature, so the rice is going to get perfectly cooked. Also, we're going to add a bit of a twist to it. We're going to add some crushed chilies, pinch of crushed chilies, not too much, depending on how hot you want your rice. And also the final ingredient, just to give it a bit more flavour, is the I'm legally blind. Aniseed. Just 1 or 2. Get it on. And now we're ready to boil, guys. So guys, we're going to turn on the gas cooker. Do it to about roughly just under half, not full heat, because we're going to slowly cook this rice. We're going to let the rice boil for up to 15 to 20 minutes until you can see the rice boiling. Right guys, you take the lid off and just smell the fragrant smells. Just take a look at that. It's nice and fluffy. It's absorbed all the water. Absolutely amazing. The rice has been complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a little bowl and give you guys a quick taste test. So our rice is complete. Here's just a quick taste test before we end this video. Absolutely brilliant, guys. 100%. With rice you can go great with anything: lentils, chicken, lamb. I will do future videos on more recipes with rice, but the basis is how to make rice, and here it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please like, subscribe and share it out to a friend who doesn't know how to make rice. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Right guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, check out my previous video making the Skittles milkshake. Also, I've done a video with Yasser King Khan. Check that out, guys. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share it out to anyone who can't make rice. Thank you. Take care.